Friends, welcome back, and today we are going to see how we can perform data contact testing using this low code framework. So as we discussed in first video, that by using this framework we can perform our data contact testing. So we will see how we can perform this by using Excel. We just not write any code anywhere, we just maintain the code on the Excel. Code means we just write the syntax on the Excel and automatically a feature file generated, Cucumber feature file will generate, and it will do the contact testing, data contact testing, right? So what I'm doing, this is the framework, and what I am doing, suppose I need to do a contact testing for this list of user, right? So for this, what we have to do, let's see here. Okay, so first what I do, I just go this and see how we can do a data contact testing, right? So for this, what we perform, I just write here a second test case, which is data contract testing. Okay, and what will be my URL? So my URL is this. I will copy this URL. After that, what I need to perform, I need to perform a get action. So I perform a get action, I call a get, and application dot and status is 200, but here I do not need any specific data validation. I'm just to validate all the actual response with the expected response. So how we can do it, we will see this. So here you can see there is a response file, actual response validate the expected response. So what I do, I just go here and copy this column name here, and now I have to write a give a expected response file, right? So what I do, I just go and copy this, right? So what I do, I just first I will create a actual expected response file under src resources. So I will right click here and go to, and this is my expected user .json file, and I have created this file. Now I will go copy this and paste here. Okay, yes, so I have successfully pasted here. Now I will just write this file name here. So what is my file name is expected user JSON. So what I do, I just go here and copy this file name, cancel, and paste here. Okay, so this is my only syntax or code which I have to write. Now what I have to, in this Excel, I only run this data contact testing. I will just go my API runner and add this test case and put this is a test case 2. Okay, and it is take some time now. Okay, now I will run and see. So I will close this and refresh this. So you can see there is no second test case folder is here. So I will run and see what will be the output. So this is the way how we can do our data contact testing. So there are the few more columns which we can use. So for this we can see Now I will refresh this, and you can see a test case 2 is created. So there is a feature file is created. I will open this feature file, and you can see here all the contact, all the actual and expected has been matched. If anything is not matching, then it will fail. So what we do nothing, we just add a column name, and we have added a file name, this actual file and expected file, right? So this is the way how we can perform a data contact testing between actual and expected. So it will match all the name, all the file, everything else, right? Suppose I do not there is a, suppose in this JSON I do not verify this maybe this email, or maybe this total pages, or anything else. I do not want to validate. I want to only validate under this data. I do not validate this support area. So how we can do this? So there is a exclude fields. So you can see, if complete response file response to be validated and would like to skip any element in the response without comparing them, then add that element and would take care skipping that element without comparing the value. So what I have to do, I just have to add this exclude fields column here, and what field I have to exclude, I just mention all the field name here. This only these things I have to do. So you can see, by using this framework we can easily do a data contact testing, we easily do a API testing without knowing any coding language. We do not need any coding language. We just know what is the workflow, how we can perform data API testing. All these things we can have only to know to do work on this framework. We do not need any technical knowledge, Java knowledge, anything else. We only need a basic API testing knowledge, okay, or business knowledge, what we are going to do. Okay, so guys, hopefully you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video. Bye bye, take care.